Hi there guys, Richard here from the Leather Repair Company. Let's talk about getting involved in a leather repair business with the investment of perhaps a franchise that you could purchase. We have franchises from £8,300 to £15,000 plus VAT. We have a standard £455 plus VAT monthly management fee. We do not take any other fees from that. There are no percentages of profits. There are no royalty fees. There is no advertising fees. There is absolutely zilch. That is it. That is all the fees that you will get. That one-off monthly fee of £455 plus VAT per month. With that, you get the added benefit of enjoying the culture of LRC and its global brand, and the fact that we have systems and distributors and franchises in over 30 countries around the world. You know you've got a company that has got a reputation that's been involved in the leather industry for over 40 years. That adds phenomenal value. We work with some of the most exclusive car manufacturers in the world offering advice. We work with some of the most exclusive designer houses on the fashion scene in the world, giving them advice for care labels, advice how to care for leather, advice that they can give their clients, how they can get out of sticky situations. All these things add huge value to a franchise. Plus the fact that with a franchise owner, you get instant help like that at the click of a finger. There is no hanging and waiting around. Now the thing is, with a franchise, it'll only be as successful as you are prepared to work. As a company, we have a national and a global advertising campaign that we run globally for everything around the world. And we have a dedicated one here for the UK and Europe that all of you can enjoy. So we can use a big pot here from the HQ, which enables us to spend even more money advertising your franchise than we would if we were just to do it as individual pots. That way, you get the added benefit of LRC at HQ passing to you all of these leads. Every year, we pass out globally millions and millions and millions of pounds of leads to people around the world that they can then negotiate with to get that deal across the line. So that is obviously up to you to get that deal across the line, but we literally hand out millions of pounds worth of leads every single year. Now, you've got to try to think. We can do a 5-year or a 10-year franchise if you wanted to. Most of the UK is a 5-year franchise, and we can sort of give you the 5-year add-on to do within that contract if that's what you wanted, was that 10-year sort of security. Because really, with most businesses, you should be thinking of building an asset that you can use and sell, maybe in 10 years' time. So you've got to think of a 10-year plan. You can't go thinking of like a 12-month or a 24-month plan, because that isn't going to get you to where you need to be, because 12 or 24 months comes around so quickly. It doesn't give you the chance or the opportunity to really get your teeth into that business and ramp up the marketing. We will ramp up the marketing as much as we possibly can, but with you doing the marketing as well, that is a double impact that it's going to have, that you can do locally, we will do nationally, and obviously with you locally. But if you can do things locally, you are going to get recognition, and your brand and your name for your franchise in your area is going to get recognised virtually instantly to gain you work. There is absolutely no reason why you cannot earn 80, 150, 200, 300,000 a year with the right mindset from your initial investment. Your initial investment includes absolutely everything for your franchise, from full 2 weeks of solid hands-on training. We don't just train on the leather repair side of things, we also give you training to do with marketing. Everything ongoing, helping you to market in your local area, helping you to market on a bigger scale. No matter what sort of service you're looking at offering, we can help you to market to that. Whether that's doing car interiors, whether that is doing aviation, marine, home furnishings, fashion, handbags, jackets, no matter what that is, or whether that is going business to business. So if you're looking at going business to business, working with companies and insurance companies, then we can help you with the marketing to get you there as well. So what you've got to look at is, I think with most sort of entrepreneurs, they have this sort of not scared, but this natural sort of protection system that stops them from advancing and going forward. If you really want to grow exponentially with your business, you have got to have a team behind you. You have obviously got HQ, which is going to help you enormously, but we're not there to actually physically do the work for you. So you've got to build a business with the ending in mind with your franchise. What do you want it to look like in 5 or 10 years' time? That is the key to the success here. Once we know what you want from your franchise in 5 or 10 years' time, we can reverse engineer that and tell you exactly how you're going to get there and what you have to do to get it to that end point. Now, whether that end point is an item that you can then go and market and sell, or whether you just retire, it is entirely up to you. But if you're going to build something, you really want an asset that you can sell. And that's the beauty with an LRC franchise. You can sell that franchise on as a going concern with a business that you have built, or pass it on to a family member. You've got to think long term. You can't think short term. And this is the problem. You've got to think long term, because that allows you to think bigger, which is better because it allows you to work more efficiently when you can think longer and bigger. It allows your mind to work more effectively and efficiently, to allow you to think a lot better and than what you've got. When it comes to competition, I wouldn't worry a single thing about any of the competition. LRC is successful for a reason. We are very successful because of our culture, of our business. People want to come and work for us here at HQ. People want to buy franchises from us because they love us, they love our enthusiasm, they love our passion for this industry. The fact that we're eco-friendly, we're driven to be eco-conscious, we're driven to save the planet, we're driven to recycle leather. And that is exactly what really excites us, is the fact that we are helping the next generation and helping them to save the planet by setting up this infrastructure to enable us to care for our planet and our wildlife. That is what really is important to us, and the fact that we can all, in the process, enjoy fantastic businesses that we've built with a fantastic profit and a fantastic asset at the end of it. But we want you to buy and build a business where you can buy a unit, you can buy a commercial building right from the offset, so that you can grow your business, to a multi-vehicle or a multi-site franchise within your designated exclusive area. Each franchise has a completely exclusive franchise that is protected, completely protected. You can even set up selling products with the store if you wanted in your area and become the distributor and supplier in that region. There is no end of things that you can do with your business. If you are looking at buying a franchise and investing wisely in your future with one of the best investments that you can make, with a company whose culture is so desired in the industry, with a brand that is set to be the biggest and best global brand in leather care, then head on over to the website, because we are that match for you. leatherrepaircompany.com. Thank you very much, guys.